大家好，我是小贤。今天我们要登岛去住个1-2天。我们要去的就是那个建筑物。现在上来了。我们打算到几夜的，现在已经赖了。坐小桌子。Those deep breaths that get me through the time she's standing next to me. She's nothing short of lovely. Does she notice that I can't breathe? Everything around me's getting hazy. I'll loosen up my tie. No use in being shy. Take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now. I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight. Ooh. This moonlight, I can see the mystery behind your eyes. With every taste, girl, I delight in you. And yet this distance that separates my hand from yours can only make me appreciate your heart I adore. So take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now, I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight. Ooh, quiet now, she's fast asleep into my arms. She's clinging. You're mine, girl, and my heart is yours. So take one petal at a time and toss it to the ground. Closer now, I'll touch your lips to mine and feel how we have to hold our breath to make sure we don't miss one moment tonight. Oh, oh. 在清洗那个解来的螺，看一下大不大。这个是马蹄螺，价格是100多一斤。我们这一顿就吃掉了价值好几百的螺，想想好像有点奢侈。吃完晚饭，我们要去夜钓了。我们下期节目见。